Hey, what's up guys? Today we've got an unboxing from cubelelo.com. So in this package should be the new Mf3rs3. So yeah, pretty excited about this one. Definitely does have main potential. So some thermocol, and then this is just the bill. And wow, it even came with this cubelelo wristband. So yeah, that's really cool. I'll probably just wear it to competitions and stuff. And this has some plastic wrapping, and this is actually really good packaging for a budget cube. I really wouldn't expect this from budget cube. So yeah, that's just cool. Now let's just open this up. So this just has the cube from the top view. It says Mf3rs3m. And this is the factory magnetized version. I'm not good at magnetizing cubes, so I wanted to buy the factory magnetized version. So this is the cube, that's the cube, and then this is the brand, and that's just the cube again, and here's all the other information. The lid just comes off like that, and here's the cube, and wow, I'm really excited. And this is a pretty cool stand which says Moyu. So yeah, this is actually my first cube stand. And then you have a pamphlet, useless. And then here are some Moyu cards. And then, come on. Wow, dual adjustment, extra magnets, and a screwdriver. So I was not expecting that from a budget cube. So that's just amazing. Now let's open up the cube. Oh, come on. Really? Fine, I'll just come back once I'm done. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there it is. So that is the cube. It seems totally dry outside. And the shades are definitely different from the RS. I don't have an RS2 to compare it with. But I do have an Mf3rs to compare it with. So as you can see, the shades are definitely different. The blue and red are different, orange is not different, yellow is the same, white is the same, and basically the rest of the colors are the same. So, doesn't see like there's lube in there. And let's just get into first turns. Wow. Okay, not really what I was expecting. Not really that good right now out of the box. Okay, I can definitely feel those magnets, but they're very subtle and light. Very dry out of the box, as expected. But I can already say it's definitely better than this cube. Actually no, it's not better than this. This is just a really good cube. And let's just have a look on the mechanism now. Ooh. These are pretty tight tensions. Oh god. Okay, wait, let me just remove the piece on it. So here is the mechanism. If you see the edge, it has like a groove over here and then two ridges over there. And then this is pretty interesting. It's got another ridge here and then this kind of grooves here again. And it has a pretty nice controllability. And yeah, there's actually a lot of friction, which is probably why it's kind of slow. And I will be and also if you see the center cap has like those lips, and that wasn't present in the Mf3rs. Mechanism definitely improved, but this still definitely like feels got no fast. Probably just have to break it in. But I've heard many people say that it's a really good cube, and this definitely has main potential. So yeah, it's already like pretty nice. Let's check out corner cutting. So nothing too great, just like above 45 degrees, and reverse is right behind line to line, somewhere over there. So yeah, might have to like definitely have to lubricate this cube, and then I'll make a full review on it. But out of the box, it's pretty decent. and I wouldn't expect a budget cube to feel this good out of the box, because lots of budget cubes I've tried, and even the RS2 actually, it was like really rare out of the box, and this feels very good. I mean, even the plastic feels a little more softer on this, which I enjoy, and it's already better than my 354M because that's an unlubed cube at this point. I'm gonna get new cubicle lubes in 2 days, so I'll be using that to lubricate it. But yeah, first impressions, pretty positive. And also that it comes with a screwdriver and a stand for a budget cube, and like such a good quality box which I can like store my cube in. That's like really impressive. I mean, I wasn't expecting that. And once I'm done with the full setup, I'll definitely make a full review of this cube. And right now I'm really happy about it. And that's it for this video, guys. Sorry I'm not using my camera and stuff, because this is just a short review. I'm very busy at the time, and I'll try to upload more, but I probably won't be uploading much for this month. And that's it for this video, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.